I am very passionate about educating in this area. My background's in mechanical engineering, even though I spent most of my career in software, and I was really excited when AI matured to the point where it could do things in real life. I wrote the book because I had been teaching classes inside of Microsoft to various professionals for years, helping them understand how to do this. And we wanted to widen the audience. That's why I approached A3 in the first place, because in my opinion, A3 is kind of the premier organization for automation in the industrial frame. We've tested this with lots of people, including working with nonprofits to teach college students and high school students from underrepresented backgrounds. And I'm very passionate about that as well. I think this is an amazing opportunity to upskill folks that are maybe more mature and upskilling them into different areas of the workforce, but also upskilling young people. And we designed this course such that with no technical prerequisites, you will be able to follow along.
The course that's being created via A3 is in conjunction with higher education, is in conjunction with industry, but it is also in conjunction with the unknown. And so for some people that's exciting, and for others it's nerve-wracking. But I see our students in southern Middle Tennessee and across the southeastern region in the state of Tennessee and elsewhere as being able to take advantage of an opportunity like this, because they will be that much more attractive to prospective employers once they go through the micro-credentialing components of this course. Our workforce arm will be able to leverage and align this course with the development of the suite of services that we offer, both locally and in some instances beyond our local space.
Everything we do in our advanced technology centers in these colleges is about industry's need, of workforce development. We're always looking for part-time adjunct faculty, career and technical educators that come from industry that want to give back. We're all in this together. And not one silo can do it better than the other silo. So break down the walls and do it together. And this project for AI, for industrial automation, is a perfect example of doing that. Our tagline at NCATC is a network of advanced technology expertise. We can't do it without industry's involvement. We see the course that you're developing at A3 as a foundational piece for the college to not have to reinvent that wheel.
Believe it or not, it's actually really hard to make Cheetos. They said, well, I think we might need AI to help with this. And I said, that's interesting. Well, what's hard about making Cheetos? They said, well, it's difficult to get the Cheetos to come out right, the right length and the right curl and the right diameter, based on the things that change. I was like, okay, what kind of things change? Well, depending on where you grew the corn, it's going to have a different amount of water in it, it's going to have a different amount of fat in it, and you're not going to be able to measure that. And so an expert operator over much experience will be able to say, oh my goodness, that's some really wet corn. And then as they're continually adjusting this machine, they'll make the adjustments, in real time on the fly. And that's just a few of the things that are different. But what it points out is one of the most difficult things about automation is, what do you do when conditions change? And that's one of the superpowers of autonomous AI or AI-based automation, is the ability to better adapt to change.